Forget everything you thought you knew about camper vans. Today's lineup features some of the most incredible models ever created, combining rugged off-road capability, luxurious interiors, and innovative technology in ways that will leave you amazed. Whether it's exploring remote wilderness, traveling off-grid for days, or enjoying the comforts of home wherever you go, these next-level camper vans are built for unforgettable adventures. From compact expedition vans to premium mobile homes on wheels, each one offers something truly unique. So buckle up, because we're about to reveal camper vans that are changing the future of road travel and proving that adventure has no limits. Adria Supertwin 4x4 is designed for adventurers who want to explore beyond ordinary roads without leaving comfort behind. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with intelligent all-wheel drive, it delivers confident performance on rough trails, wet roads, and changing weather conditions. Inside, the camper features a bright living space with a practical kitchen, comfortable sleeping area, and a smart bathroom that maximizes every inch of space. Large windows and a panoramic roof fill the interior with natural light, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. Advanced insulation, heated water tanks, and an efficient diesel heating system make it suitable for travel throughout every season. A lithium battery, roof rack, LED lighting, and the Mercedes MBUX infotainment system add convenience and modern technology to every trip. Available in multiple layouts, the Supertwin adapts to different travel styles while offering a dependable home on wheels. It is built for unforgettable adventures wherever the road or trail may lead. Airstream Interstate 19X Outland is built for travelers who want to leave busy highways behind and experience true off-grid adventures. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 AWD chassis, this compact camper combines dependable performance with impressive maneuverability, making it easy to reach remote destinations. Inside, the thoughtfully designed cabin offers a comfortable sleeping area, a compact kitchen with an induction cooktop and microwave, a portable refrigerator, and a practical wet bath for everyday convenience. The Truma heating and hot water system keeps the interior comfortable in different weather conditions, while lithium batteries, a pure sine wave inverter, and solar charging provide reliable power away from campsites. Rugged, all-terrain tires and useful exterior storage enhance its adventure-ready design without sacrificing comfort. Advanced Mercedes safety features also add confidence on every journey. The Interstate 19X Outland delivers the perfect balance of capability, practicality, and modern comfort for unforgettable road trips almost anywhere. Mega Revolution 640 is designed for travelers who need a camper van that easily adapts to every adventure. Its raised H3 body provides impressive headroom while creating extra storage for long journeys. One of its most practical features is the electrically adjustable rear bed, which lifts to reveal a spacious cargo area capable of carrying bicycles, motorcycles, or other outdoor equipment without reducing sleeping comfort. Inside, the camper offers a well-equipped kitchen, a smart bathroom with a swivel toilet and separate shower, premium cabinets, LED lighting, and generous overhead storage to keep everything organized. Truma heating and insulated water tanks help maintain comfort in different seasons, making it suitable for year-round travel. Built on several popular van platforms, including the Fiat Ducato and Peugeot Boxer, the Revolution 640 combines flexibility with everyday practicality. It is a smart solution for adventurers seeking comfort, storage, and versatility in one modern camper van. WEINSBERG X-PEDITION is built for travelers who want to explore beyond the limits of ordinary roads. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, this expedition camper is available with an optional 4x4 drivetrain and raised suspension for improved capability on rough terrain. Its rugged appearance is enhanced by all-terrain tires, a protective front bumper, roof-mounted auxiliary lights, and distinctive exterior styling made for adventure. Inside, the thoughtfully designed cabin features a multifunctional seating area, a fully equipped kitchen with a compressor refrigerator, and a flexible bathroom that makes efficient use of space. The sliding transverse bed creates additional room while providing convenient access to the rear storage area. Nature-inspired ambient lighting adds a relaxing atmosphere, while the Mercedes MBUX infotainment system and advanced driver assistance features improve every journey. The WEINSBERG X-PEDITION combines smart engineering, everyday comfort, and dependable off-road capability, making every adventure more exciting and unforgettable for outdoor enthusiasts. Storyteller Beast Mode XO is built for adventurers who want to keep exploring long after the paved road ends. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 AWD platform, this expedition-ready camper features the advanced Evictus pre-runner suspension, delivering improved stability and control across challenging terrain. Its rugged exterior includes roof racks, rear door storage, a ladder, and protective accessories that provide plenty of space for outdoor gear. Inside, the smart layout offers a comfortable queen bed, a versatile seating area, a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, microwave, and refrigerator, plus a spacious bathroom designed for convenience. A powerful lithium battery system, rooftop solar panels, and a high-capacity inverter provide dependable energy for extended off-grid adventures. The large touchscreen control system lets travelers easily manage lighting, climate, water, and electrical functions. The Beast Mode XO blends durability, advanced technology, and everyday comfort into a camper van built for unforgettable journeys anywhere. 2026 Palladium 1930 is a compact camper van created for people who enjoy exploring without sacrificing everyday comfort. Built on the Ford Transit Trail AWD platform, it offers dependable all-wheel drive capability along with a strong 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine that handles city streets, scenic routes, and rugged backroads with ease. The interior is thoughtfully arranged, featuring flexible twin beds, a functional kitchen equipped with a cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and sink, plus a compact wet bath for added convenience. A Truma Combi heating and hot water system helps maintain comfort in different weather, while solar charging, intuitive touchscreen controls, and multiple USB outlets keep essential systems powered throughout the journey. Outside, the powered Thule awning with built-in LED lighting creates a welcoming place to relax after a day of travel. Smart storage solutions throughout the cabin make packing easier, giving the Palladium 1930 a practical balance of convenience, comfort, and adventure-ready capability. Hymer Grand Canyon S700 is built for travelers who want extra space, premium comfort, and the freedom to enjoy longer adventures. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, this spacious camper van offers a smart interior designed to make life on the road feel effortless. One of its standout features is the pair of long single beds equipped with the comfortable LatoFlex sleeping system for a relaxing night's rest. The innovative swivel bathroom saves space while providing everyday convenience, and the modern kitchen, large wardrobe, and generous storage make extended trips more practical. An efficient lithium battery system, compressor refrigerator, and diesel-powered heating with integrated hot water help support comfortable travel in every season. The camper is also compatible with the Hymer Connect app, allowing users to monitor onboard systems with ease. Combining intelligent design, modern technology, and premium craftsmanship, the Grand Canyon S700 is ready for unforgettable journeys wherever the road leads. For those who enjoy discovering places far from crowded campsites, the 2027 North VT offers a perfect blend of capability and comfort. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 AWD high-roof platform, this expedition camper is designed to handle challenging roads while providing a refined living experience. Inside, handcrafted cabinetry and premium finishes create a welcoming atmosphere, while the well-equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and everything needed for extended adventures. A spacious shower, flexible sleeping area, and clever storage solutions make everyday life on the road more convenient. Its advanced lithium power system, rooftop solar panels, diesel heating, and air conditioning support comfortable off-grid travel for longer periods. LED lighting and modern connectivity add convenience whether relaxing or working from the road. Combined with Mercedes safety technologies and dependable all-wheel drive capability, the 27 North VT delivers an impressive mix of durability, comfort, and independence, making every journey feel like a true expedition experience. Carado CV600 is a compact camper van designed to make every journey comfortable without feeling oversized on the road. Built on the Peugeot Boxer platform, it offers an efficient layout that balances everyday drivability with practical living space. Inside, the cabin provides seating for 4, comfortable sleeping accommodation, and an optional extra berth for added flexibility. A large rear bed sits above a spacious storage area, giving travelers plenty of room for bicycles, luggage, or outdoor equipment. The functional kitchen includes a 2-burner gas hob, sink, and refrigerator with a freezer compartment, while the compact washroom combines a toilet and shower for everyday convenience. A generous fresh water supply, combi gas heating, USB charging ports, and multiple power outlets help make longer trips more enjoyable. Clever storage solutions and modern driving features complete the package, making the Carado CV600 a practical and dependable camper van for unforgettable adventures on the open road. Womondo Lifestyle 636 is designed for travelers who want a camper van that combines everyday comfort with the freedom to explore. Built on the Fiat Ducato platform, this modern vehicle offers a spacious interior while remaining easy to drive on city streets and scenic routes. Inside, the bright living area features 4 travel seats, quality finishes, and a welcoming atmosphere for life on the road. Long rear beds provide a comfortable place to rest, while the large storage compartment underneath easily accommodates bicycles, camping gear, and other essentials. The well-planned kitchen includes a 2-burner gas hob, sink, and compressor refrigerator, while the compact bathroom combines a shower, toilet, and storage in one efficient space. Truma combi heating, a solar panel, a Thule awning, and an exterior shower connection enhance outdoor adventures. The Womondo Lifestyle 636 delivers a practical blend of comfort, versatility, and smart design for unforgettable road trips. Dreamer D68 is a camper van created for travelers who want comfort, practicality, and flexibility in one compact package. Measuring 6.36 meters in length, it offers a spacious interior while remaining easy to handle on city streets, highways, and winding mountain roads. Inside, the bright cabin features 4 travel seats, swivel front seats, generous overhead storage, and 2 wardrobes that help keep everything neatly organized. Twin rear beds provide a relaxing sleeping area and convenient access to a large rear garage, making it easy to carry bicycles, camping gear, or other adventure equipment. The practical kitchen includes a versatile refrigerator, cooking area, and sink for preparing meals wherever the journey leads. A cleverly designed bathroom combines a shower and toilet without taking up unnecessary space. Truma combi heating, quality insulation, and optional solar power and lithium battery upgrades make the Dreamer D68 a dependable companion for comfortable adventures throughout every season. Outside Van Overnight is built for adventurers who want to travel far beyond traditional campsites without giving up everyday comfort. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144AWD chassis, this expedition-ready camper provides seating and sleeping space for up to 4 people. Its innovative fold-away Murphy bed transforms into a practical gear storage wall, while the pop-top roof creates an additional sleeping area with easy access. Inside, the thoughtfully designed kitchen includes an induction cooktop, refrigerator, sink, and microwave for convenient meal preparation on the road. A high-capacity lithium battery system, rooftop solar panels, powerful inverter, and diesel heating provide dependable energy and comfort during extended off-grid adventures. Premium insulation, smart touchscreen controls, LED lighting, an outdoor shower, and rugged all-terrain equipment further enhance its capability. The Outside Van Overnight combines smart engineering, practical versatility, and modern technology, creating a reliable mobile base camp for unforgettable adventures in every season. Malibu Relax is a camper van designed to make every road trip feel comfortable, practical, and enjoyable from the moment you step inside. Built on the Fiat Ducato platform, it offers a spacious 6.36-meter layout with seating for 4 and an optional pop-up roof that increases sleeping capacity. The bright interior features quality furniture, modern finishes, generous headroom, and large windows that create an open, welcoming atmosphere. At the rear, long single beds with supportive mattresses sit above a spacious storage garage, providing plenty of room for luggage, bicycles, and camping equipment. The functional kitchen, practical washroom, and numerous storage compartments make everyday living on the road simple and convenient. Truma Combi heating, a large fresh water tank, and modern driver assistance features enhance comfort throughout every season. Combining smart design, premium craftsmanship, and impressive practicality, the Malibu Relax is built to deliver memorable adventures wherever the journey takes you. Etrusco CV600 DB Plus is a compact camper van that proves smart design can make every journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, it measures 5.99 meters in length while offering a surprisingly spacious interior for extended road trips. One of its standout features is the panoramic sky view roof window, which fills the cabin with natural light and creates an open, airy atmosphere. The clever Vario bathroom combines a shower and toilet in one space-saving layout, while the rear double bed sits above a large storage garage for bicycles, luggage, and camping gear. Inside, premium furniture, soft close cabinets, indirect LED lighting, and multiple USB ports add everyday convenience. The well-equipped kitchen includes a refrigerator, practical cooking area, and generous workspace for meal preparation. Combining modern styling, intelligent storage, and practical features, the Etrusco CV600 DB Plus is ready for memorable adventures in every season. Sunlight IBEX 4x4. Van Concept is designed for adventurers who dream of exploring far beyond ordinary campsites. Built on the Volkswagen Crafter platform, this rugged concept camper combines intelligent all-wheel drive capability with increased ground clearance, making it ready for challenging terrain and remote destinations. Its bold exterior features aggressive all-terrain tires, X-PEDITION-style accessories, and a distinctive design that reflects its adventurous spirit. Inside, the thoughtfully planned living space focuses on practicality, comfort, and self-sufficient travel, giving explorers everything needed for extended off-grid journeys. Durable construction and a smart interior layout make the concept suitable for life in changing environments, while modern engineering enhances both capability and convenience. Although it began as a concept vehicle, the project offers an exciting preview of future adventure campers. The Sunlight IBEX 4x4 van concept showcases how innovation, rugged performance, and functional design can redefine off-road travel for the next generation of explorers.